My name is Arielle, I'm a hairstylist, and I'm extremely excited to share my hair creation of the day. This is my first video to start off this channel. I'm really excited to start showing off my creations, sharing some tips and techniques that will hopefully help other people. As a stylist, I usually do a variety of different looks. I like looks that are more polished and put together, but sometimes my styles will look a little bit more like this, really textured, piecey, and messy. This is my mannequin head that I purchased from Hair Art. The hair is 22 inches in length, and I'll leave all the information in the description box below. They identify by name on the website, and this particular one is Stella. It's 100% natural human hair, which is essential if you want to add hot tools or put hair dye into the mannequin head's hair. As you can see, this is the style that I created, and I wanted to talk briefly about it. I wanted to create a really elegant looped crown braid, and that's what I did on Stella today. I always start out by adding some volume to the crown of the head, so that's what I did first. And as you can see, there are these really delicate looking loops that I call it, or it might look like a knot. I like to mix in whatever it is. That's my number one tip, is to not be afraid. Hair is art, it's meant to be creative, and I had so much fun with this look. As you can see on this side of the head, I did more really tight spiral curls, having fun with a wand. And then on this side of the head, I just wanted to make sure they're a little bit more loose, they're a little bit more relaxed. I like to add a little bit of edge to my looks. One of the looks that I created was this really beautiful bridal ponytail, and I added elastics all up the back of the head, and it looked like a really edgy mohawk. So this is why I enjoy hair so much, is because there is so much texture to it already. This kicks off the first video that I'm going to be posting. I'm hoping to share so many more looks and to talk about some tips and tricks that have been really helpful for me along the way. Before I go, I did want to address what is going on, and I just wanted to push out some positive energy and some happy vibes out into the universe. I think that things are definitely getting better. People are coming together and understanding that this too shall pass. Stay safe. I am so appreciative of the fact that I have the opportunity to share these creations, share my passion, and I'm really looking forward to the next video.